How is a Chief Justice appointed? Have you ever wondered how the highest-ranking judge in the United States gets their position? The process of appointing a Chief Justice is quite fascinating and involves several steps that reflected our system of government. Let's break it down. First, the President of the United States plays a crucial role. When a vacancy arises, the President nominates a candidate for the position of Chief Justice. This nominee can be a current Associate Justice or someone new to the Supreme Court. Interestingly, there is no requirement that the nominee must have prior experience on the Supreme Court or in any judicial role. Once the President makes a nomination, the next step is sending it to the Senate, specifically to the Senate Judiciary Committee. This committee conducts a thorough vetting process. They gather background information from various sources, including the Federal Bureau of Investigation and other investigative agencies. This step is essential to ensure the nominee's qualifications and past conduct are carefully examined. After the vetting process, the Senate Judiciary Committee holds public hearings. During these hearings, senators have the opportunity to question the nominee. This is a critical moment where the nominee's legal reasoning and past rulings, if applicable, are scrutinized. Witnesses may also be called to support or oppose the nomination, adding another layer of examination. Following the hearings, the Judiciary Committee votes on whether to recommend the nominee to the full Senate. If the majority of the committee disapproves, the nomination may not reach the Senate floor. However, if they approve, the nomination moves forward for consideration by the entire Senate. The full Senate then engages in debate about the nomination. This debate can be extensive, as the Chief Justice has a significant influence over the direction of the Supreme Court. To end the debate and proceed to a vote, a simple majority is typically required. Finally, the Senate votes on the nominee. To be confirmed, the nominee needs a simple majority of senators present and voting. If there is a tie, the Vice President, who acts as President of the Senate, casts the deciding vote. Once confirmed, the Chief Justice holds the position for life, unless they choose to resign, retire, or are removed through impeachment. This lifetime appointment highlights the importance of the Senate's role in ensuring that the nominee is fit for such a significant position. For those pursuing a legal career, understanding this appointment process is vital. The Chief Justice not only presides over Supreme Court sessions but also has administrative responsibilities. They can influence the court's agenda and the assignment of opinions. The rigorous nomination and confirmation process reflects the high stakes involved in selecting a Chief Justice who will shape constitutional interpretation and legal precedent for many years to come.